Now let's understand how to create multiple reducers in our JavaScript application. So now our shop is selling both pizza and burger, and now we are having two chefs who will be preparing these different items. So in our code, chef simply represents reducer. Now we are having two chefs, which means we should be creating two reducers. But before implementing two reducer, let us write the code in the same reducer and see what will be the problem. Coming back to VS Code, I have created multiple reducer.js, and inside that I have copied entire code from previous file and I have pasted. And from here I have removed all the comments. You can see I have removed all the comments. Now we will implement and write entire logic in one single reducer. So now our initial state of the application will be pizza bun as well as burger buns. Here I will write burger buns and initially I will give 200. Then after that what I will do? I will be creating constant for order burger. Copy and here I will write order burger. Copy and here paste. After that, after creating the constant, what I have to do? I have to create action. But using this action creator, I will be returning my action. I will write function. Now I am going to write order burger. And inside this, I will write return. What it will be returning? It will be returning action. For this, I will give order burger. Okay, simple enough. First I have created constant and inside this action creator I am just returning my action. And now inside this initial state I have also passed the burger buns. Now inside reducer function I have to create another case for order burger. Here I will write return. Again I am just going to copy my entire state. And after that, now what property I have to update? I have to update this burger buns. And from where I will access this burger bun? From state.burgerbun, I will access this property. And each and every time when customer places this order, I just want to decrease the value by 1. Okay, that's it. Nothing fancy. Whatever we have done previously, we have just repeated the same thing. And accordingly, we have given the different type. Now, if the customer order burger, what happens? Inside this reducer, we are going to pass initial state and we will be passing our action. Then switch type will be checked. Order pizza, it will be checking for this type. If the case is not matching, I will not come inside this. Now I will come here, order burger, it is matching. So successfully, it is going to return new updated state. And now in this case, it becomes very important, copy entire state. If you don't copy, then entire thing will be overridden. Because for ordering pizza, we are only updating our pizza base property. Rest entire thing will be same. For ordering burger, we are only updating our burger buns property and entire rest properties will be same. Successfully, we have created action creator. We have passed the new case inside the reducer and also we have passed the state of burger inside our initial state. Now I will come down. I am just going to dispatch action for order burger. Below this, I will write order burger. Save it. Now I will open terminal. Here I will write node. My file name is multiple_reducer.js. Hit enter. Now you can see, now my initial state is having both pizza base and burger buns. After that, I have dispatched order pizza. My pizza is reduced by 1, but my burger remains 200. Again, I have dispatched order pizza. My pizza is reduced by 1, my burger remains 200. And after that, I have dispatched order burger. Second case will be matched. My pizza base remains 98. But now my burger bun is reduced by 1. Again if I dispatch, save it. execute. Now second time also my pizza base remains the same. My burger buns will be reduced by 1. This is how we are going to write entire logic in one single reducer. But now you might think, writing the logic in one single reducer, we are able to get the result. Then what is the need of creating two different reducers? The reason is, maybe shop will be expanding more, and apart from selling burger, pizza, maybe in future they will start selling coffee. Then managing entire thing in one single reducer will be very messy, and also if anything goes wrong, then it will be very difficult to handle that problem. And inside reducer function also, this function will be growing very big, and if there is any issue, then troubleshooting that issue will be very tiresome because we will be having long function in our code. So what we will do, instead of writing entire logic in one single reducer, we are going to create two reducer. One will be handling pizza and one will be handling burger. We have already created constant will not be changed. We have also created the action creator, no problem. Now inside this initial state, instead of passing both the values, we are going to create separate state. Here I will write initial state for pizza. I will copy this. Below this I will write initial state for burger. Now inside this state I only want pizza. I will remove this, and inside this burger I only want burger. Now here this reducer I will write reducer pizza. Inside this state, instead of passing this initial state, I will pass initial state for pizza. Action, no need to change. Then here I will remove this entire case. I have removed the entire case and I have only given order pizza. Now I will copy this function. Below this I will be writing. Now I will write reducer burger. Now instead of this I have to pass initial state for burger. And here I will be passing the type as order burger, and instead of changing this pizza base, I have to change my burger buns. Copy and paste. Nothing changed. What we have done, we have created two different states. One is for pizza base and one is for burger buns. Now if any state transition happens for ordering pizza, using this reducer, we are making state transition and we are updating our state. If any order happens for burger, then using this reducer, we are just updating our state. So successfully, we have created two reducers. But now the problem is, inside this create store, we have passed reducer parameter, and it can accept only one reducer as its parameter. But now in our application, we have created two reducer. I cannot pass like this. I cannot pass reducer pizza, reducer burger. This will be the wrong way. Inside this create store, I should only pass one parameter which will be accepting our reducer function. But now I am having two reducer. If I give this, open this terminal, hit enter, now I will be having this error. Reducer is not defined, and at this place I will be having error. Now in place of this, if I give reducer burger, reducer pizza, save it, come here, just write this, again I will be having this error. Cannot read properties of undefined reading type. So if I pass in this way, I will be having error. So now we have to understand most important function in Redux.